Why'd you buy that mixer?
That's a good question. This is a contact mixer. They have a very unique fin design inside. It does a lot better job of mixing the concrete. Now, do you guys know what this is? This is the rear pedestal. Really well built. Got the high rollers, that way the cement doesn't get built up underneath them. This is the Bridge King axle, and this folds down so you can haul a bigger load. Bridge King pivots are a big plus too because they've got polyurethane bearings in them. Very little maintenance to these. The chute pedestal, it's been closed up in here so you don't get the concrete falling down through it. Really beefed up to take the load. Contact is the best mixer around.
Grandpa, I could have told you that.
Yeah, you got me there, boys.